Hello class 8. Today we are solving question number 1 of exercise 3.2. The question is find x in the following figures. Here it is a triangle. In its two exterior angles are given. Angle 1 is 125, angle 2 is also 125, and we have to find out the value of this x. So we know that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon, either it is a triangle, it is a quadrilateral, it is a pentagon, hexagon, sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360. Sum of exterior angle of polygon is 360. सारे पॉलीगन्स का एक्सटीरियर सम जो होता है वो कितना होता है 360 होता है. So it is given, so angle 1 is given, that is 125, angle 2 is given 125, and angle x is given, angle x we have to find out. So that is 250 plus x is equal to 360. So x will be 360 minus 250. So x will be 110. This is the value of this x, that is 110. Now come to B part of this question. B part, it is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a pentagon. So the angle sum of any figure is related to their sides, means the sum of their interior angle is different in every polygon, but the exterior sum is always 360. Okay. Now here question number B. Now look here. This is angle 1. Angle 1 is given. Angle 1 is given that we have given 90. Now take it as angle y. Angle 1 plus angle y is equal to 180. 180 why? Because they are forming linear pair. Linear pair. So angle y will be 180 minus 90, because 1 is 90. So y will be angle y